For my video teaching moment, I was given the student work sample 1/3 multiplied by 2/3 cannot equal 2/9 because 2/9 is less than 1/3 and multiplication makes bigger. I can see from table 15.2, misconception number 3, that this student is making a mistake when thinking the answer is wrong because it is smaller than the factors. I'm going to explain where I see that in the work sample. As we can see, it appears the student got an answer of 2/9, but thinks it is wrong because 2/9 is less than 1/3, and multiplication makes numbers bigger. So what I'm going to do is give these numbers context. For our problem, we are going to imagine Bobby has 2/3 of a candy bar left from lunch. 2/3 of the candy bar left from lunch. Susie wants 1/3 of the 2/3 of the candy bar Bobby has left. So we're looking for the portion of the candy bar Susie will receive. So we're going to start by cutting the candy bar into 3 pieces because we know Bobby has 2/3 left from lunch. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the candy bar, and this is what Bobby has left from lunch. So this is the 2 pieces of candy left from lunch. And we know that Susie wants 1/3 of the 2/3 that Bobby has left. So we're going to take the 2/3 that Bobby has left and cut them into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So we know that these are the 3 pieces of candy that we cut from Bobby's 2 pieces. Now we know that Susie wants 1 of the 3 pieces. So we are going to shade in the 1 piece. So this is the portion that Susie will receive. If we were looking at the whole full candy bar, this is the full candy bar, all 3 pieces. We can see that if we cut it evenly into 9ths, that it would be able to represent the 1 piece that Susie has left. So let's shade in what Susie has out of the full candy bar. So see, we can see that this represents the 1 piece that Susie got. And we can see when we put it on the candy bar that Susie gets 2/9 of the whole candy bar.